Hi there, Susie McCarthy here. So just a bit more little exercise to do with the face and the neck, making sure you look your best. One of the best things we can do is to make sure that our head is resting correctly over our spine. Most people don't really know how to get their head in that correct alignment. You don't want that forward head. And that's often what we end up with when we spend a lot of time looking at our phones and looking at computer screens, and our head is forward and down a lot of the time. We need to find a way to bring our head back over the top of the spine. The spine actually goes up into the center of the skull, and the head moves from that position to side, forward and back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the index fingers behind the ears and just look for the little bony lump just behind your ears there. So mine is just here. And you can continue with your fingers. I actually like to swap to using my thumbs and then just drawing circles around that little bony prominence that you found there. So it doesn't stick out a lot. I'm just going to draw some circles and then draw circles in the opposite direction. And then we're going to take one hand on top of the other, bring that around the back to the lower head. You're going to inhale. As you exhale, bring your head forward. Inhale, come back, and as you come back, just squeezing with your hands, and then release, and bring the head forward. Coming back up, squeeze the back of the head. And exhale, go forward again. Inhale up, squeezing the back of the head. Exhale forward. Inhale up. One more time, exhale forward. Inhale up. Give the back of the head a nice little squeeze. And release your hands down. Then just coming back to those bony lumps behind your ears and just giving them another bit of a massage. A nice circular movement. Going in one direction and then the other direction. And release your hands down. Just close your eyes and feel into how your head feels. It should feel nice and light, and it should feel like it's nice and balanced over the center of your spine. Namaste.